Alright gang, welcome to Lobster Class Recovery. We are going to do a one-off type video. This is going to be for coin tumbling. So this brand is Frankfurt Arsenal, and this is the tub. This is not rubber, this is a clear window, so we're going to take that out. It's not rubber lined. This one is not. The one that is, this is the light version from Frankfurt Arsenal. There's another one that's about $160 or about 60% more than this one, and it is rubber lined. It'll be quieter, so it depends on where you're putting it to achieve this, or like, do it. So these are stainless steel tumbling media. Yeah, see that? It looks like that. So I'll show you one next to my fingernail. I don't want this stuff all over the place. It's basically, see it? Right on the edge of my nail. Entire container is 2 pounds. Is that enough? Yeah, I think it's enough. My biggest concern is recovering it, and I'll show you how that's gonna go. Right now I'm just doing setup. It's basically about 2 capfuls of soap. This is Dawn. Alright, Dawn for dishes, Dawn for cleaning coins. So this is a tablespoon measure. And I think probably a bit more. Probably enough. So I'm going to use hot water, because I think that's a better prospect to getting these coins clean. As I've said before in other videos, do not mix pennies with clad and or silver coins. So clad and silver can go together. Pennies are all by themselves. If you fail to do this, don't ask why your silver and your clad is the color of pennies. You might not like that outcome whatsoever. Let's see how much that is. Probably could do a bit more. That's probably overkill. So what'll happen is I'll put the coins in, and any water that runs over will just run over, and then I'll tip out a bit more, so there is a bit of air in there, and you want a bit of air. Don't make it solid water and coins. You guys got it? Okay. Don't do that. Let's put that in. I need to crank it down. I'm just going to carry it over. And we'll be back. So we're going to clean all this clad. Some of it is worse than others. Probably by and large this is the worst one. This is so nasty. We'll see how it goes. So that's disproportionately dirtier than the rest of the coins. I am going to put it all in. This is currently sitting in a gold prospecting classifier. In the drink you go. Rub-a-dub-dub. Bunch of coins in a tub. I'm very interested to see how these stainless steel pins do. Now they are used for cleaning brass. I'm encouraged that they will work here. The alternative is, and I've got some dollar coins, and they don't need to go in, they're just gonna go in because it sounds like fun. That's another dollar coin. Alright, something's gotta give. Alright, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Alright, so we're back. Okay, I think there's enough. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Alright, that's fine. So you go in here. Okay, we're back. And you got my foot in the way. Okay, so this is on and you can watch the coins. And this should be really interesting to see how this goes. It's gonna get nasty. So there's just an on and off button here. And that's it. See the coins or the pins? See the coins and the pins. Hey, if this thing works well, I'm gonna do a load of laundry. Maybe my sneakers. Alright, gang. We're gonna need that. That is the Frankfurt Arsenal tumbler. This is the light version. Really simple. The nicer one has a timer on it. So you could walk out of the house and it'll shut it off whenever you want. I'm going to let it run for 2 hours. Of course, you can get a receptacle or like a power extension cord that has a timer built in and do it that way. Alright? Rub-a-dub-dub. Looks like it's making a good job in the tub. We are doing the Coinstar cash-in. And we're doing coin services because we're going to turn it into an Amazon gift card. See, no transaction fee. Cool. See that? Do-do-do. Away we go. I think I should stop. Let's see this. Come here. Oh yeah. So these coins have been through a tumbler. You can't put trash through here. You gotta make sure they're clean. It's like what do you call it? Going to Vegas with the slot machine. You just keep doing it. Alright, we'll be back later and you'll see the end. Isn't that cool? Very neat. Still going. See, that's what you get. You get